अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं आपका टीचर मुजम्मल हसन गुरेजा। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एफएससी मैथमेटिक्स सेकेंड ईयर की चैप्टर नंबर 2 है, एक्सरसाइज 2.4 है। नीचे मैंने अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर, वाइबर नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस और वेबसाइट का एड्रेस और यूट्यूब का शॉर्ट यूआरएल लिख दिया। ये केस सेंसिटिव होता है, स्मॉल लेटर स्मॉल लिखा जाएगा, कैपिटल लेटर कैपिटल लिखा जाएगा। जब आप इसको ओपन करेंगे तो मेरा चैनल ओपन हो जाएगा, उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियोज़ को लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं जी। एक्सरसाइज 2.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का 5th पार्ट और ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका। डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है हमने इस फंक्शन को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस फंक्शन, ठीक है जी। तो जिस तरह हमने पिछले 4 पार्ट किए हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही ये है। क्या चीज़ फाइंड करनी है? डी एक्स स्क्र प्लस 1 ओवर एक्स स्क्र माइनस 1, इसका डिफरेंशियल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स क्यूब की हमने ये चीज़ फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो इसके लिए हमने जैसे पहले किया था, नॉमिनेशन कर लेते हैं। इस फंक्शन को हम वाई कह लेते हैं, इसको हम यू कह लेते हैं। तो हमने क्या फाइंड करना है? डी वाई बाई डी यू, ये चीज़ हमने फिर फाइंड आउट करनी है, ठीक है। तो लेट्स सपोज we can say that y is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. So taking the derivative on both the side of this equation, we can get d by dx. Why we take the x? Because the other side of the equation have the variable x. So that's why we will differentiate this equation with respect to x. dy by dx into d by dx, derivative of x square plus 1 over x square minus 1. Here we will apply the quotient rule, which is the x square minus 1. The denominator of this function will be written here with the square, whole square of the function, of the denominator, sorry, only. And also we will write here the denominator, and after that multiplied with the derivative and the numerator of this function, minus again the numerator of this function and the derivative of the denominator, x square minus 1, without the squaring, as we have square here in the denominator, but we will not take square here in the numerator. Okay, now we will apply the derivative on this bracket and also on this bracket. When we apply the derivative on this bracket, we can get only 2x, because the derivative will apply first on x square and after that the derivative will apply on 1, and we know that 1 is a constant, so its derivative will be equal to 0, and only we can get the result from x square. And the derivative of x square, we know that it is 2x. How we can get it? We can get it by using the power rule. Power rules tells us that the power of the function will be written before the derivative, and after that we write, it is better if I write it here on the side, x square, d by dx of x square. Power rule tells us that the power of the function will be written first, and after that we less the power from the function as 1, x power 2 minus 1, and after that we will take the derivative without the power of the function. Here the power of the function is 2, we will not use it here now, we will eliminate it, and after that we will take the derivative of the function, which is x 2. It will result in as 2 as it is, and x power 1, and the derivative of x with respect to x will be cancelled out, and we can get only 1. The result will be 2x. Here x square minus 1 into 2x minus x square plus 1, and the derivative of this bracket, and we know that as we use it before, the derivative of x square is 2x, and this minus sign, and after that the derivative of 1 is 0, and we don't need to write 0 again. X square minus 1 whole square is equal to, now we check that 2x is a common from both of these two brackets, so we will take it common. The rest of the function will be x square minus 1, this bracket, and minus, this minus is out of this bracket, so it will be multiplied inside the bracket, and we'll change the term with a negative sign, whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now when we solve this bracket, we can get x square will be cancelled with this, 2x minus 1 and minus 1 will result as minus 2, x square minus 1 whole square, and after solving we can get 2 and 2 is equal to 4, minus 4 and x whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. And now we want to find out the value or the derivative of x cube. It is better if I write it here. We say that x cube is equal to u. Now the derivative of u with respect to x will be equal to d by dx of x cube, and when we apply derivative on this function x cube, we can get by using power rule. Power rule again tells us that the power of the function will be multiplied, and after that we less the power of this function by 1, 3 minus 1, and after that we take the derivative of this function without power. Power is 3, we will not use it here again. Without the power, the function is x, so we will take the derivative of x, and we know that the derivative of x with respect to x will cancel out and we can get only 1. So 3, when we solve this power, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Here we have the result du by dx is equal to 3x square. Or if we take the reciprocal of this function, we can get dx by du is equal to 1 over 3x square. Here is 1 in the denominator, so when we take the reciprocal, then denominator will become the numerator and numerator become the denominator. This is the reciprocal of this function. Okay, why we take this? Because we need it in the next step. Okay, now we want to find out basically the value of dy by du, and this dy by du is basically, what is this? The value of function y is x square plus 1 over x square minus 1 over d. The value of u is x cube. We want to find out this one. Okay, so using the chain rule, dy by du, dy over the differential of third variable multiplied by differential of third variable divided by du, and the differential of third variable is x, so differential is dx. Okay, now dy by dx, what is the value of dy by dx? We find it before, and this is dy by dx, which is minus 4x whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square multiplied by dx by du. Now here check, we have the value of du by dx, and I told you that we will take the reciprocal, and now you can understand that why we take the reciprocal of this function, because we need the value of dx by du when we apply the chain rule. Okay, now dx by du is equal to 1 over 3x square. Let's simplify this function. X will be cancelled with x, and the rest of this function is minus 4 over 3x, because here is the value x square and only x cancelled with x, and we have 1x here. 3x into x square minus 1 whole square. This is our required differential or derivative which we want to know. Hope so you can understand it well. If you have but if you have any problem with this question, you can contact me on my contact number, which is WhatsApp number and Viber number, and also my email, and also you can write some comments on my video and I will reply to you. Remember me in your prayers. Okay, goodbye. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.